This cat looks like it's seen some things. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of April 1st through the 7th. This kit like screams April to me with the colors and just the theme of it. I really, really love it. This cat's like cracking me up though. And I love the cat theme, of course. It's just always a winner with me. This is called Walking in the Rain from Caress Press. It's just so pretty. I love all the windows in this house. It's gorgeous. Color scheme, very April to me. I think I've been like conditioned from EC's colors from like all the way back to 2014. Purple and this bluish color always mean April to me. I love this pattern. That's so cute. And then I'm definitely going to use that box because it's adorable. And then we have some very cute deco to use. Adorable. I also have an extra box, two extra boxes really. I don't know if I'm going to use them because I don't really use tall boxes. They just take up a lot of room, but I kind of like this one. I don't know. We'll make those decisions as we go. I also have this Zig color dot marker in Wisteria. I think it matches like kind of perfectly, so that's going to work out well, I think. If you have never seen one of my plan as I go plan with me, is the way that I do mine is I go ahead and set up the week. Usually on Sunday, but today is Monday. And I will fill you in as many days as I can with real life updates. At the end of the week, we will add in some pictures and some memory keeping to make it extra special. With that said, let's get this week set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi. I am popping it down just a little bit so that I have space for my daily gratitude. I'll add in some little hearts in a little bit, just trimming that down so that it fits perfectly. And then I'm going to move to the date covers. So I'm pulling the numbers from the kit, popping those into the date covers, and then we're going to put those across the top. These are pretty thin, but I have found that in the makselife, they fit pretty much perfectly. Sometimes I have to turn my planner to the side so I can see a little more clearly. I have to reposition them, but they work and they fit right in that spot. And then I can use some deco across the top to fill in that space. I pulled in some full boxes next, and the little kitty cat squeezed into that little sweater. It's very cute. And then I'm putting in this double boxing across the coil. I loved the stack of board games. That was really cute. And then I'm kind of moving them around just a little bit because I wanted to use this box for sure up there. And then we'll fit in the last full box later. Weekend banner, I put that at the bottom since I had a box on Saturday, but it works. And then I'm covering up the bottom 2 habits because I like to use 5 habits. And then I'll add a little bit of deco on there in just a bit. Okay, so I'm choosing some deco for across the top of the spread. I decided to white out the holidays on the 1st because they didn't apply to me personally. And then I'm just putting in the deco that I like across the top. I love the socks and all of the little like game pieces and stuff. And then on Monday we had the day off since it was Easter Monday. So I'm just putting in that, and then I'll make a big long list for myself. And then I'm just adding some dots to the rest of the week. And some hearts there at the bottom, like I said, for my daily gratitude. Just checking my weekly actions to see what I need to add into my habits. So this week I'm tracking my meds, daily cleaning, then my water intake, my PM routine, and using my wellness log. So I'm just going to add a whole bunch to this list, especially since I'm filming the start of this spread on a Monday and I've got the day off. I've got some extra time. So I'm just adding in a bunch there, and then I'm also adding in my daily gratitude, which is that cat. And then I'm just adding in some to-dos across the spread and looking back to previous spreads to see if there's anything I missed. It is Tuesday. I'm home from work. I'm already changed into my workout clothes so that I can go do my workout right after this. I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to do strength today or just like a dance fitness workout. I'm not for sure yet. this down just a little bit. Let me find a workout sticker though. I think I'll do strength today. Like, that feels like something I should do. I don't think I've done a strength workout since like maybe Wednesday of last week or something. Let's see. Oh no, it was like Tuesday. Okay, so it's been a while. I did watch 10 Things I Hate About You yesterday and forgot how much I love that movie. There is a scene though, I was telling my friend today, there is a scene where she flashes her teacher to get her, not her boyfriend, her friend out of detention, and I thought that was like horrifying. Like horrifying. Oh my god. Like if that happened in real life, just so scary. But I get it's a movie and it was the 90s. I think it was 99 or 98. I think 99. But yeah, it's a different time now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and update my budget. I did read my Daily Stoic today, which I was kind of proud of myself. Thought about calling my parents today, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. I do need to do an Amazon order just to grab a couple things. And what else? I'm going to go ahead and put Tret tonight. I'm going to go ahead and put on some tretinoin. And I think every other day is best for me. I tried last week to do 4 times, and that was a mistake. That was a little rough. Full-vox right here. I feel like this one is like sickish. I don't want that vibe. I do like this one. I like this one too though. Let's use the one with the kitty socks. It was really kind of chilly today, which was surprising because it's been in the 70s every day for like a week, and then all of a sudden it's like chilly and it's super windy, which is not fun. But hopefully in the next couple days it calms down a little bit. Habits. Just telling my friend Kat on the way home from school today that about my like car camping journey and how that's gonna work, and I like explained my setup to her, and it was funny because it's definitely not something she is interested in, but yet she asked me questions about it, and just making sure that I'm being safe. I got the bear spray. I got my taser. I'm probably gonna get a knife, and then I'll feel like I will be good to go. Actually, I feel pretty good about it anyway, but she was just the voice of reason. But she seemed to think that my setup was going to work, so I'm going to have to practice though. Like, I don't know exactly when I want to practice, but I'm going to have to practice before I actually go out. Okay, anyway, I think that's it for today. I'm just going to go do my stuff, go work out, and I'll see you tomorrow. It is Thursday, and I'm home. I just laid on my bed for a little bit and pet my kitty for a while, watched some Instagram reels. Now we're ready to get to work. So I'm going to do a workout today. I don't want to, but I'm going to do it. I'm not feeling it today, but I know it will make me feel better. And I had a bit of a bad attitude today. So I think that doing something will make me feel better, you know? That's the idea. Anyway, let's use this one. I don't know why I was in a bad mood. And it wasn't the whole day. It was just like little spurts. I don't know. But I didn't like take it out on anyone else. I just held it in. And now we're going to get it out. Okay. So we're going to do some strength today. I feel like that's what I need. And I want to get in 2 strength workouts every week. I really need to schedule my haircut, wash my hair tonight. We're going to do some Tret tonight. Tret no one. Gratitude today. It is like 80 something degrees right now. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's put that in. Okay. Habits. Let's catch up from yesterday. Oh no, I did yesterday. Okay. Water's going well. Wellness log I will fill out right now. And the rest I will finish later. I still need to sweep from yesterday, but we'll get caught up on that. And I think that's it. Hey, so it's Sunday. I skipped Friday because I just wanted to relax a little bit. And then yesterday, the wind was crazy. It was gusting like 60 miles per hour and more. It was just an ugly, ugly day. And I got a migraine about noonish. And yeah, it took me until like 8 p.m. to get it completely gone. But then I had a whole bunch of caffeine because it helps my migraines. And so then I was up till midnight. So I didn't intend to stay up till midnight, but it just kind of happened because I had to get rid of my headache. It was just like, it was a bad one. And I haven't had a bad one in a while. Like, it's probably been maybe 2 months or so. I had a pretty bad streak for a few months, but lately it's been okay. And yeah, it just like took me by surprise, but it is gone. Thankfully, the wind has died down a bit. It's still going to be pretty windy today, but not too bad. Probably like 30 miles per hour, which is kind of normal for here. But I do need to get a few things done today. So I got laundry done yesterday, and my nails. That's pretty much it. And I had to do my nails twice because I messed them up right when I was almost done. I was so mad. So I've got to get the laundry folded, and I also need to clean my makeup brushes. It is way past time. I've been meaning to do it like every weekend for the past month and just haven't done it. I really need to get into the habit of doing it like every week or every other week, but I'm not there yet. I'm trying, but I'm not there yet. Reflections, I did do those, and I have new weekly actions. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here because I did it. So last night when I started to feel a little bit better and I was wide awake, I got this done, which I put the prompts in the wrong order. I will do that better next time. I used this Planner Kate sheet. I will need to get some more of these because this actually helped a lot. I like this. And then I did my weekly actions for the next week. So ready to go on that front. Some of this stuff is ongoing, or I just haven't done it yet. Good attitude. No. So I added that to this week, and I'm really, really going to try a lot more. I feel like this week I was pretty apathetic about a lot of stuff, and like, that is just not how we need to be. We have like 30 days left of school, and I need to make them be good and like enjoy them, you know? Okay, so gratitude today. I'm going to put the wind died down. It was just so bad yesterday. I didn't even want to go outside, but I did have to do a grocery pickup, and that was just unavoidable. And it was gross. Very gross outside. In the spring, that tends to happen. We have some bad windy days, but I'm pretty much used to that, having lived here for like 3/4 of my life. But there are some days that still get to me, and yesterday was one of them. Okay, so I need to finish my habits. I think I'm going to put in a full box here because I have the room for it, and I don't have really anything else to do today. Again, this is more like a sick kind of situation, so we're going to use this one. I'm not really sick, although I did not get as much done yesterday as I would have liked. That just can't do anything about it. When you can't even like think because of how bad your head is hurting, like, it's fine to relax and put things on the back burner. Let's go ahead and do my favorite moment of the week. Let's grab a little bit of deco for that. I love these little dominoes. Those are real cute. Little wax melts. I think I'll use this though. My nose is a little bit drippy today because of how dry it is, but I don't want to make this spread about that. My favorite moment of the week was my productive Monday. I got so much done. I will be back in a sec to add in some pictures and make this extra special. Let's finish up this spread. I have the pictures kind of where I want them, but I need to cut some of them down and also add in a few little notes here and there. So let me go ahead and do that. Well, let me glue them down. I'm going to use my Tombow adhesive, and then we'll see where we're at and see where I need to add in a couple things. The pictures are glued down. Now I want to add in just this little note for myself about, I was debating, and I talked to my sister about this last night, if I should delete my granddad's contact from my phone. I mean, his phone is not in service anymore, but I'm just not ready to do that yet. it's not the right time just right now. And I think that's fine. He passed away in August, and I still think about him pretty much every day. And I'm just not ready to take that little step, even though it may seem like inconsequential to like anybody else, but I don't know, just not ready yet. Let me make a little note about my goals here in my compass. I was going to make a little note about this show that I haven't quite finished it yet, called Renegade Nell. It's on Disney Plus. But so far, I think I'm like 4 episodes in. So about halfway through it. It's really good. I think it's really well done, and I like it. And I'm definitely going to finish it. But I want to make a little note somewhere in here. How about like that? But then let me find a TV sticker. Okay, I'm going to use one of these from Rabbit Hole Craft. They're kind of large, but I think it kind of works in this space. Okay, that works. This little space here, let's see, I've got a little bit of deco left, so let's add in some here. I love this version of Persuasion. It's just so good every time. And right there. And I think this spread is finished. This turned out really beautiful. This cat still cracks me up. But I just love this color combo, and it's just perfect for April, I think, and a good start to the month. This week was good, and I'm glad that I had a really good Monday to start off the week. I got in some good workouts, even though I kind of like tapered off during the weekend. I still like feel like I used my time for what I needed at the moment. So lots of reading, watching some good shows, and I just really love this. Very, very cute. If you enjoyed watching me put together this spread, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, share this video if you did like it with someone that you think will also like it, and I'll see you next week. Bye!